Hello my people, it's your girl Honey Candy. Don't mind where I am now. Nimebaiwa gift manzi. Na feel poa tu. I'm feeling good, don't mind where I am. By then nitarudi kwangu soon. Niweze kufanya vlogs vizuri. Wenye inafaa, wenye inahitajika, okay? So let me show you the gift. I've been given a gift that guy nimepewa do, and I really appreciate. Nimepewa vitu mingi sana lakini acha kwanza nionyeshe. How much is this? 500 real, okay? 500 real. This is a Saudi money by the way. Hey, next gift by the way amenipea hii. Ni mtu tu ni kama babangu, like watu huku nje wako na roho safi. Just because I'm traveling nikapewa hii. I'm so happy, I'm so thankful for this. Mwenye amenipea hii abarikiwe, aishi miaka mingi. Hii pesa yenye amenipea iongezewe times 1 million. Na namwombea akuwe na peace kwa heart yake, akuwe na happiness. Namwombea happiness in his life. Oh my God. See. Okay guys, now and then to the next gift. Nimesina mtu wa kunishoot by the way, so I had to do this alone. To the next gift. Let's see. This is my next gift. Check the bag. Just check the bag. Ooh. Ni ya green. Na mwenye amenibaia hii aongezea miaka ya kuishi hapa duniani. Nampenda sana, namshukuru, ni baba mzuri, na namwombea maisha marefu. I pray for him to have happiness in his heart, to have peace in all his life. Abarikiwe sana. I'm so thankful to the people who have gifted me. I'm so happy to be recognized. I feel so special. You can see the bag. See bag. See in the bag. Na nikadogo tu vizuri kakuingia nako kwa ndege. So nikapoa sana. The clothes. I feel so happy. Nikuja hapa kwa light blouse. Mnaona hizi texture za Wajaluo watu pesa. Naona? New. Good one. The next one. I don't know. Good one, is it? Good one also. And then there's a tight. And there's a blouse. Manzi. Vlogging is so hard. Kwanza kama una kamera na una nini yako kushikia. Una stand. Check this. Just check the color. Just check venye iko tu. See animal print. Sijui ama niite tribal. Just I love it. And then there's this. Oh my God. Tight. Nimebaiwa hadi tight. Unajua hukuwezi vaa dresses. So akaona msichana, acha tumbaie tight arudi nayo Kenya. I'm so happy. Manzeni, being recognized is so good. I'm so thankful to Mr. Sale and his friend. I'm also thankful to Vidya. Shout out to Vidya. He bought me a gift. Let me show you. Wait 1 minute. She bought me a gift. She bought me this. I'm so thankful to her. May she never lack. May she have a good life and a happy soul. Yeah, may she have I don't know what to say. In all her endeavors, may she always win, okay? Vidya, I love you so much for this. I'm so grateful that I'm loved by people near me. At least, nimeona kuna watu. Huwezi kosa tu. Hata kama unaonanga unachukiwa sana, imagine huwezi kosa wasi wanakupenda, wamekuweka hapa kwa roho. Like wanataka you be happy no matter what happens, no matter what is going on. So people najua natingika sana, like I'm so happy. Mr. Sale, the friend, Vidya, I love you so much. I love you so much, and I will never forget you in my life. I love you so much. Bye. Okay, guys. Maybe I will be doing this oftenly. Maybe. Maybe I'm here 24/7. Takuwa nawekea content poa. Maybe. This video was just for appreciating the people who has recognized me, the people who love me, and I love you too, guys. I love you sana sana sana, na nitaishi kuwaombea. I will always pray for you guys. I love you, and I will never forget you. So guys, for now, it's a wrap. So bye bye until we meet again in another maybe video. And I'm so grateful that you're watching my video, and I love you, my viewers, my fans, my family.